Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. By the end of this video, you're going to have 15 websites that you can use to instantly improve your trading. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, make sure to go and hit that like button. We do 3 uploads per week. We do 5 live streams per week as well, so make sure to hit that join button. The question of the day is, what is your favorite website or software that you currently use for trading? Let me know down in the comments below, and let's get into the 15 best Forex trading websites and software to improve your trading. The first one is Metrica. I'll put a little screenshot on the screen right now of what that looks like. Yeah, it's a very good website that you can use. I'm not going to be going into in-depth in all of these websites. Obviously, if something looks interesting to you, you can have a look at that yourself. The next one is Edgewonk. I think they came out with an updated version recently, so yeah, I think that is looking really good now. It's definitely something I would suggest for anyone that's looking to kind of journal their trades and find an edge that they might not be sure about. The next one is called Koifin. This is mainly for stocks, but you can also use it for currencies, and I personally use it for finding very long-term trends. So you can look up to 10 years, 15 years of data on currencies. The next one, I'm sure everyone's going to know, TradingView. I don't really need to go into this one, to be honest, but yeah, it's a very good trading tool. The next one is one that quite a few traders I think will know, but the majority might not, and it's called Bar Chart. So just type in barchart.com, and you can use this for loads of different things. I personally use it for Quant Analysis. The next one is Forex Tester 5. This is again something similar to Edgewonk. It is used for backtesting and making sure that you have a strategy that you like to trade and is profitable. Every single trader that joins the academy, the TradeHappy Academy, is going to get a Forex Tester 5 license for free. That is a recent partnership that we have done. So yeah, if you want to make sure that you get yours for free, I think it's about 400 or something similar to that, somewhere around 400, 300, I think, for a full Forex Tester 5 license, the lifetime license, that is. Next one is MyFXbook. Again, it's something that a lot of traders will know. I do think that Edgewonk is better, but obviously MyFXbook is free, so that is up to you whether you want to be spending money on Edgewonk or not. But personally, I do think that Edgewonk is better. The next one, similar to Forex Tester 5, it's a cheaper version of Forex Tester 5, and it is Soft4FX. Again, I think that Forex Tester 5 is better, but if you want a little kind of cheaper version between free and Forex Tester 5, then Soft4FX is a very good option. I've personally been using Soft4FX for 2 or 3 years now, and yeah, it's been good. The next one is Forex21. I use this website for the compound calculator. So you can type in how much you'll be making per month, how many months, and it spits out the compounding of that account. You can use it for multiple different things, but yeah, that's what I use it for. The next one is called TraderView. It's a similar website to Edgewonk and MyFXbook, but it's one that I got from Mike Bellafury at SMB Capital, because it's something that he recommended, and yeah, it looks really good. I haven't used it myself, but you know, if it's getting recommended by him, then it must be good. The next one is Quant Tower, and it's basically a chart analysis site / software where you can see your charting in a different way. I haven't used it again, but you can have a look at that if it looks interesting to you. The next one is MT Quant Analyzer. very, very similar to the other one. So yeah, have a look at that if that kind of interests you. The next one I'm sure everyone's going to know as well, investing.com. I use this for multiple kind of reasons, but you know, if you want to have a look at that, you can do if you haven't heard of it before. It's got loads of different things on that you can use. The next one is actually a physical product, and it's called Magic Keys. What it does is it's an easy way to automate your position sizing and way that you enter and exit trades. Again, I haven't used it before, but I do know a trader that has been using it for a while, and yeah, he loves it. And the last one, number 15, is the Baby Pips position calculator. So if you don't want to spend money on a risk manager or Magic Keys, this is a free way for you to calculate your risk. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm still not home. So yeah, if you want to support the channel, you can do by hitting the join button on YouTube or going over to Patreon and joining over there. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below if there's any other kind of software or websites that you would suggest. Have an amazing day, and remember traders, trade happy.